Hello, welcome back to Elite Recipes. Today we are going to make brown chana chickpea biryani. Brown chana is one variety in chickpea family. It is dark brown in color. So now let's go into the video and see how to make brown chana chickpea biryani. Bay leaf, cinnamon, chili powder, garam masala powder, turmeric powder, salt, mustard seeds, ghee, cooking oil, ginger garlic paste, asafoetida, 150 grams of brown chana seeds, 2 big onions chopped, 2 big tomatoes chopped, 1 handful of coriander leaves, green chilies, curry leaves, mint leaves. Take 2 cups of boiled punni rice, or if you want you can take basmati rice also. Just wash it one time, soak it in water for minimum 10 minutes so that when you make biryani comes soft. These are the ingredients needed to make biryani. Soak the chana dal overnight and pressure cook it before making biryani. On the stove, heat the cooker, add cooking oil, 1 tablespoon of ghee, grease the cooker, add cinnamon, bay leaf, mustard seeds, asafoetida, slitted 3 green chilies, allow it to splutter and then add 2 chopped big onions. Sort it well, keep it in sim till onion turns golden brown. So now in this stage add little salt, mix it and then add chopped 2 big tomatoes, mix it well, keep it in sim till tomato turns soft. Now add ginger garlic paste. I made ginger garlic paste out of 5 centimeter ginger and 2 cloves of garlic. Mix it well till the raw smell goes. When you sort itself, a good aroma smell comes. So now in this stage add turmeric powder, garam masala powder, chili powder. Give a good mix. Add curry leaves, mint leaves and coriander leaves. All these greens helps for digestion. So now in this stage, add the cooked chickpeas, brown chana. So before adding in this, it should be soaked in water and pressure cooked. Add required amount of salt. Give a mix. So for 1 cup of boiled ponni rice, you need 2 cups of water. So I am using 2 cups of rice. So I am pouring 4 cups of water. Give a mix and keep it in flame till it gets boiled. So now the water is boiled. It's popping up and coming. Now add the soaked rice. Once you add the soaked rice, you can close the cooker. Keep it for 1 whistle and 10 minutes sim. 1 whistle and 10 minutes sim is enough. You would get a very nice tasty biryani. So you can eat with any type of raitas or papad as a accompaniment for this brown chana chickpea biryani. See, now beautifully it has come. Please try the recipe, subscribe, comment and like the video. Generally we make gravies and sundals out of this chickpeas. This is a different lunch recipe. You can garnish with the coriander leaves. Now biryani is ready. Hope you like the video and enjoyed.